What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In today's video we are visiting an old friend. Last analysis I thought this support area would be strong enough to hold for Tezos, which it did for quite a long time, but the 10th of November finally broke, and to be honest, look at this downtrend. A beautiful wedge going down, all the way down. It's beautiful to see, not that beautiful for the portfolio. I'm a holder of the Tezos. I did sell a little bit right here, so it doesn't hurt too much. But yeah, it's a great project, and you see it everywhere. They're very good with their marketing, somewhat like Crypto.com with their marketing, with sports and stuff. So still, I think there's a lot of potential for Tezos, and I think you all agree with me. 4.5 billion market cap is not nothing, but there's still room for growth. Definitely a 100% in there in maybe this bull run, maybe, or this bull cycle, maybe the next one. So what's happening right now is we are breaking out of that wedge. I really think this will be a clean break. We would have to wait an hour and 3 minutes for the candle to really close, but I think it's going to close above there. And I think the very least we are going to see is something like this. So a consolidation between 6.0 and 4.2, I think. I think that's definitely going to happen, but we actually do have a shot to break out and maybe go all the way to 7.3, but that really depends on what the price will do now. If Tezos shows enough bullish momentum to actually break through this big resistance area from 5.5 up until 5.33, we will definitely take a retest off of that, and then we can, in my opinion, even break the 6.0, and then the next resistance would probably be 6.7 and then ultimately 7.3. And from this 7.3 I do expect some more resistance, probably a consolidation between 6.0 and 7.4, but that's really the most bullish scenario. If that scenario were to happen, yeah, we would need to see a big bull move still from where the price is right now, and the price right now has already gone through quite a lot of resistance areas. So I actually don't think this is the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely that we will see some resistance between 4.5 and 4.3 ultimately, and that we will retest either to 4.9, or in the worst case scenario, but that's still for me bullish, and I will explain to you later, 4.5. And I think that's still bullish because now we've actually seen the price that it can break resistance and that it shows some bullish momentum at least. So I think a 4.5 area would be able to get a lot of buyers in. And from there we might see a nice consolidation, so maybe some resistance again at 6.0. Maybe the price drops down. In the best case scenario, that consolidation will be between 6.0 and 5.4. That's only a consolidation of 10%, so in crypto you don't really see that often, but still it's possible. Maybe something like between 6.2 and 5.3, that's more possible, but I definitely do think that price will not continue to drop down anymore. I think that's over. That's also another reason why this is still bullish. It's a higher low. I mean, it might take a while for Tezos to go up to its previous levels, but still that's bullish, and maybe it just needs some time to gain bullish momentum and more bullish potential before it can actually go up again. So yeah, remember the area 5.5 up until 5.3. If that breaks in the upcoming hours, we might see a big bull run coming out of Tezos. If it doesn't, we are more likely to see something like this, or something like this. From here, it really depends on the price action before that. We might drop down, or we might see a little bit less of a pullback, and we might get through, but that would be in the upcoming days and not in the upcoming hours. In the upcoming hours, it's really looking out for the 5.3 resistance area. So yeah, that's basically my my opinion on the price of Tezos for the upcoming hours, days, and possibly 1.5 week. Short term, very bullish. That's kind of my opinion summarized. So yeah, that's not financial advice. That's just my opinion based on technical analysis. And if you have any questions about that analysis or you want to tell me something else, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible with some more explanation or at least a comment. And yeah, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.